In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add coupon code in Shopify. Tutorial 2025. By the end, you'll have a working discount code that customers can use at checkout, and you'll know exactly which settings control where and how it applies. First, sign in to your Shopify admin and open the discount section from the left-hand menu. This is where all of your codes and automatic discounts live. Click the Create Discount button to start a new one. When Shopify asks what kind of discount you're creating, choose the option to discount specific products or collections. This keeps your offer targeted and prevents unintended site-wide markdowns. Now set up the basics. Give your discount a clear, memorable code customers will type at checkout. Keep it simple and easy to spell. Next, change the discount method to percentage and enter the exact percent off you want to offer. If the page shows automatic discount by default, switch over to discount code so customers will enter the code during checkout. This gives you better control and prevents stacking with other promos unless you choose to allow it. Decide what the code applies to. Under Applies to, select specific collections, and then choose the collection or collections you want included. This is perfect for seasonal categories or promotional bundles. If you only see the selector after you choose specific collections, select it again and confirm your choices so Shopify locks in the scope. Set where the code is available. Choose Available on all sales channels if you want it to work everywhere you sell through Shopify, including your online store and any connected channels. For who can use it, pick All Customers to keep the promotion broadly accessible. Under Minimum Requirements, select No Minimum Requirements if you want the code to work on any eligible item without a spend threshold. This generally increases conversion on promotional campaigns. If you prefer to enforce a minimum later, you can come back and adjust this setting. Before saving, review the remaining fields and toggles. Enter any usage limits if needed, like total uses or one use per customer, and set your active dates and times so the code starts and ends exactly when you plan. These fields ensure your discount activates on schedule and doesn't linger beyond your campaign. When everything looks good, click Save. Shopify will create the code and show you a summary. From here, you can share the code in your marketing, add it to banners, or include it in email campaigns. That's it. Your